Aeronautical Data Processing Training, DO-200A, DO-200B Training. Length, 2 days. Presented by Tonex Training. DO-200A training is a mix of theoretical material and down-to-earth workout. Useful exercises incorporate labs, bunch exercises, and hands-on workshops. Tonex will talk about the distinctions and likenesses of DO-200A and DO-178 databases and the procedures are utilized during the advancement of each. DO-200A training shows you the measures for the accompanying aeronautical angles. The obligatory rules for dissecting the aeronautical data. The data applied to explore, plan flight, give territory mindfulness, reenact flights, and so forth. Creating, change, and bolster aeronautical data prerequisites. Convey data quality. Learn about DO-200A's actual objectives. DO-200A letters of approval, LOA. What you have to have for DO-200A. How the data quality prerequisites expressed, oversaw, and confirmed. The techniques can be applied for DO-200A and when such strategies ought to be qualified. DO-200A quality affirmation job and more. Audience. This is a 2-day course designed for aircraft engineers, project engineers and managers, quality assurance, certification personnel. Course outline. Overview of DO-200A. DO-200A features. Tiers of AIM stakeholders. Aeronautical data supply chain. Aeronautical data flow. Aeronautical data management. AIS/AIM roadmap. Data quality characteristics. Request more information. Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.